One of the reasons I didn't do cold calling back in the day is because the idea of people asking me questions and I didn't know the answer to, or the comeback or the convincing. And let's talk about convincing super quick. I've always felt very like cheesy used car salesman kind of sales when you had to convince people to work with you. So this whole like cold calling was like, give me the baby jeebies. Now, here's the thing. I met one amazing cold caller and I don't care what he's selling. I would be buying it in every color twice because his sales techniques are like, I convinced myself to buy it. Like, he didn't even convince me. He is that good. So a few weeks ago at Austin Rankin were teaching in the Team Go Go organization and he was so good. Then everybody asked him, begged him to come back for a second round. He's coming back, but this time you're opening up to the public. So he is going to teach you all of the sales technique when the sellers convince themselves that they want to work with you. Do you want to learn this trick? Be on the call, comment, open.